Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I've got an accessories haul. I've acquired a few pieces, some have been sent by brands, some I've purchased myself, and it mounted up and I thought, yeah, let's do a film with those accessories and I'm going to style them up. There's a couple of different colours in here, so it's going to be interesting. If you're new here, my name's Laurie. I'm a fashion, beauty and lifestyle blogger stroke blogger, and I hope you enjoy the film. If you do, please subscribe. But let's crack on with these items, and the first one is from Vivaia. Now if you remember, I had a pair of black boots from Vivaia last year. They are so comfortable, and when the brand asked if I'd like to share a couple of items, I jumped at the chance because I do like the brand. Step into conscious comfort. Now, shoes from Vivaia, I'm pretty sure are made from plastic recycled plastic bottles. They're composed of like a material that's just, it's soft, it's comfortable, and I loved the colour of these shoes. I thought, what would I wear them with? Actually, they will go nice with this because this shirt's got blue in. I like how flat they are. I liked the pointed toe. Yes, and you can wash these in the machine as well. Any of the Vivaia shoes you can actually wash in the machine. You got this little piece here to keep your shoe in shape, which I would use when they're nearly dry actually, because it's most probably going to go back to the original shape. They do span out with your feet because they're that comfortable. They're quite stretchy, if you can see the material. But look, this is a good pair of, I'm doing a lot of walking shoes. You've got a nice rubber sole on there, but I just loved the blue. It just stood out at me, and I thought they was lovely. They're like almost like a knitted material. We've got the Vivaia badge around here. Yes, I don't have a lot of flat shoes in my wardrobe, so it's good to have something that I'm going to be able to throw on, you know, a minute's notice and go to the shops. That's why I chose this colour. I think it's going to go great with black, denim, any blues that you've got in your wardrobe, even beiges. That would still work with beige. It looks okay with the beige up against here, doesn't it? So yes, that's the first pair of Vivaia shoes. I think I've got a discount code for Vivaia, I'm not sure, so if there is, obviously all the links are down below. These are a size 3. I'm a regular size 3 in shoes. Yes, and they're very comfortable. I've tried them on. The soles are really squishy, and like I said, look, they're just so flexible. Really, really pleased with them. Put my little socket back on. I'm just about to do the wardrobe switch over, I think. So all these shoes will end up in the shoe drobe. I've still got all the sandals in there, but I really do think it's time now to change over. Looking forward to all the cozy vibes. Yes. Right. So I've got 2 pairs from Vivaia. These are the heeled shoes. But I loved the colour of these, and as you know, I love my neutrals. These are going to go with all my beige trousers or jeans, and again, these are just as flexible but very different. It's like a different weave on this one. All the lines go up on the shoe. Give you a close up there. I really like the pattern. You've got a square front to this one. You've got a square toe cap here, and it's a square at the instep as well. A heel, I think this is just a good size everyday heel, but it's quite chunky. so you could do a lot of walking in those as well. Again, these are flexible. They're not as flexible as the flat ones. They've got a lot of cushioning in there. But yeah, I do like them. They look nice on. They're comfortable. I've already tried them on. So yeah, really, really pleased. I bought a new belt from Ralph Lauren. As soon as I saw this belt, this was on sale. I think you might still see some available. This is, I think it's called the conch belt, but I liked the detail on these, and I think this is going to look nice with any of the maxi dresses or black jeans. I just thought it was a really nice detail. I think I paid £12 for it, and I love Ralph Lauren belts. It's my thing this year. I'm going to buy a few decent belts. So yeah, I was really pleased with this. I bought this in a medium and it actually came up bigger than I thought it would. But when I've got trousers on, because I've got so much of that, it all looks like one thing, which I thought was really nice. I'm hoping to quench my fear, to crush my fear of wearing black this year and wear a little bit more. So I thought that would be nice. I do wear black trousers and black jeans, so that's going to be perfect. I bought a pair of shoes, or actually these are sandals. It's the daughter's fault that I bought these, because she was going to a wedding and she said, "I've bought some shoes, Mum," and I looked at their sandals, they're not shoes. I looked at them and I thought, they are exactly what I need in my wardrobe. Nude, wide fitting sandals, not too high. I thought the heel height was perfect, and you've just got that little free straps at the front there, and they're wide fitting as well. I tell you, they're so comfortable on, and as soon as I see them, I said to Sarah, the daughter, they're exactly what I need. And they're just from Quiz Clothing. They was as cheap as chips. I don't think they was even £30. But I often wish that I had a pair of nude heels in the wardrobe when I'm going out. So I thought, even if I wear them more next summer, these are going to be a firm favourite to grab, I think, especially, like I say, for the evenings. Cream trousers, they're going to look great. A dress. She's worn black, I think, with them, and I think nude and black actually looks really nice. So yeah, I thought they was a good buy. Very pleased with them. I've had Quiz Clothing stuff before. I think I had a pair of knee-high boots, and they were really good as well. And for the price that you pay, okay, they're not leather, but they're really good quality for the money that you pay. Earrings. I had a lovely pair of earrings from Monica Vinader. I love their boxes. I've got all the boxes. I keep them all in their original boxes. As you know, I'm a big fan of Monica. I think, yeah, I've got Monica Vinader on today. This is the pink stone with the extendable chain. The bracelet. I wear this a lot, and if you're regular here, you'll know that I wear this one a lot. The friendship bracelet. And I wanted a pair of everyday earrings. Now, I've got a pair of Bulgari earrings that Dee gave me, and I wear them literally every day. And I thought I lost one the other week, and I went into a blind panic because they're so expensive. And I found the earring, and then I thought, do you know what, I'm going to stop wearing them earrings. I go out on photo shoots, you know, it could ping off. So I thought, right, I'm going to get another pair of good everyday earrings, and so these are what I got. these hoops from Monica Veneda. So there you go. They're just a perfect everyday. I love the modern shape. This is the modern shape, isn't it? So yeah, I was really, really pleased with them. And they feel lovely on. They're as light as a feather. I'm going to put them in now, because I didn't put any earrings in, because I know I was going to show you these. And I am really pleased with them. These are 18 carat vermeil, not too expensive, but a good everyday earring. So you'll be seeing these a lot. Very happy with those. Right, what else have we got? Vionic. Now, I've worked with Vionic for nearly all of my blogging time. I think it's got to be coming up 6 years now. And I wanted to explain how Vionic work, but all I've got, I haven't got any Vionic summer shoes in the shoe drawer, but I do have a lot of boots that I wear that are Vionic, and I wanted to explain about what Vionic are about. Now I've got this as an example here. It's a pretty poor example. Trust the rubbish men to come now, and it's quite late. I guess this is from the bank holiday. They're so noisy. Sorry, excuse the noise, ignore that. Anyway, yes, the Vionic shoes. Now they make shoes for, is it plantar facilis, something like that. These flip-flops that I've had for years, and you've got this built-in instep basically. All of their soles have that instep, and that's exactly what I've got in here. So the boot will fit in the arch of your foot. I can't manage to show you the inside of this boot, so I just wanted to explain that. And you know, people with back pain, foot problems, the Vionic shoes are brilliant. And if I ever go to London, it's normally a pair of Vionics that I'll reach for. Excellent, excellent quality. And I was asked if I'd like a pair of these, and obviously I said yes. They are beautiful. The leather is gorgeous. I love this tan colour. It's going to go with it a lot in the wardrobe, isn't it? A nice hefty block heel there, but not too low either. So I was really pleased about that. Yes, really like them. I've tried them on, they're comfortable. I think these come in other colours as well. I know they come in black. You've got a nice hook bit there to pull them on. Yeah, square front, very, very nice. A good sole as well. Vionic shoes last for years, by the way. Like I said, these are flip-flops. I've had these for about 6 years. I've got another pair of boots in the shoe drawer. I think they're 6 years old, but they're flat, and I wear them all the time too. So yeah, really pleased to have them. Look at the Vionic site, because if you have feet problems or back problems, apparently they help align your back as well. So it's well worth looking at. You'll pay a little bit more than normal than you would for shoes or boots. I'd say high-end, high street prices, but they are worth every penny. Now, there's one last item and I've forgotten to get them out, so I'm just going to go and get them. Now, if you remember the Marx's haul, and I said I was trying to get my hands on a pair of shoes, I got the shoes. And not only did I not pay £54, I think they were originally, I paid £8. So I was over the moon with these shoes. I've been looking on Marx's to see if they're going to restock or do something similar. I know a lot of you commented and said I hope you get the shoes, so I thought I'd pop them in here. I absolutely love them. These came not long after that haul, and they've done a fair bit of walking already. As you can see, the label, the writing's disappeared off the label. I should have peeled that off, shouldn't I? But I am over the moon with them. They're lovely to wear, this leather, but let me say, there's still a but. Marks' they launched a platform ankle boot, and I've got them on wait now. I don't know what it is about Marks' shoes, but they seem to fly out of the shops. So I'm on a wait list for these platform boots. I'm going to put a picture up now of those, and I absolutely love them. As soon as they come in, I'm going to be buying them because they don't look too high, and they're going to give me that extra little piece of height. But yeah, very, very pleased with them. They look so designer, I think. Really, really pleased. I know Ralph Lauren do something very similar to this. I'm going to link it below if you'd like to have a look, just in case you want something similar. But yeah, very pleased with them. So that's it, a quick one. That's my little loot. I think I'm pretty much done now for autumn winter accessories. I think I'm ready to go, ready to get the clothes out the loft and do the swap over. So I'm sure I'll chat with you doing that in the next week or so. Thank you for watching that. I hope you enjoyed it. Ready for winter now, aren't we? So I'll be doing the swap over any time now, I think, and I'm looking forward to wearing all the new autumn winter accessories. Accessories update any outfit, don't they? So yeah, looking forward to it. Anyway, please give the film a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed the film, please subscribe. I'd love that. Lovely community here. Hello to all of you actually that comment every week. I love you all, it's so lovely, and I'll see you in the next one.